Hey guys, welcome to Pick a Card with Nisara Gowda channel. So today I'm back with another Pick a Card video on the topic what they won't say. Anyone in your life who is close to your heart or about whom you always think, if that person is hiding something from you, I'll reveal it today. Okay, there are four options, so there are pictures upon them. Select any one picture and the file timestamps are given in the description. Go there and I shall meet you all in your readings. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. If you are new here, please consider subscribing my channel. Okay, then I shall see you all in your readings. Bye bye. Hey, option 1 people, those who choose the first option or the first picture, so your reading is here for the question, what do they won't say you, or what do they hide from you? You got the very first card. Let me just keep it this way. Okay, you got the very first card, that is Two of Swords. Let me pull two more cards to explain exactly what they want to say. Okay, if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing my channel. Press that bell icon too. Okay, okay, we got Page of Cups and Page of Wands and Four of Wands and the Magician. Okay, there is this person, whoever it can be, option 1 you kept in your mind. This person is, these days this person is getting so many ideas on different perspectives. Like if this person is into some education or they're in studies right now, they're getting too many options, like to take another subject or go through another different than this field, or they have to choose now. This is the time for them to choose for the right options, but they're not able to choose. It can be like that, or it is something new, love, new person has entered their way. Okay, it can be that, or it can be with you also. They are thinking of taking the relationship to the next level. They're offering someone, I think someone else is offering love. Okay, there is a third party for sure, offering love towards them. Okay, and this person is very excited to take very excited to go on with that person also, because I see that this person is considering the option for sure. They're taking the option, they're not neglecting it. They're very excited to know more about that person also. It can be you also, if you're the third party in their life. There is some third party who has just entered their life, showing them some affection, showing them some love. Okay, this person wants to celebrate this, like take this level, next level, take this relationship. It can be with you or it can be with someone else. Take that relationship to the next level. This person don't want to neglect whatever it is coming on their mind. This just person wants to take it to the next level. Okay, sorry, let me pull some more cards for you. Okay, for sure someone is coming towards this person, holding love, holding heart. Someone has to someone is dreaming about your person, or yeah, dreaming about your person right now. There, it can be you also. They are really considering, if that is you, moving on towards that person. Then this person, whoever you think in your mind, option 1, definitely they are going to consider your offer. They are thinking of taking it to the next level, that they won't say it. Okay, there is a third person who is coming towards their way. It can be you or it can be someone else between you, that they won't say because they are blindfolded. They are not sure what to choose right now. They're hiding this from you, option 1. There is someone in their life, definitely they are going to take this opportunity. Okay, whoever it is, option 1, definitely they are going to take this opportunity of new love, new idea, new something new that is happening in their life. Definitely they are going to take some decision, make some decisions on that particular offer. Okay, so if that is not you, then be sure, because there is someone entering your person's life, that they're hiding from you. they're thinking of taking their relationship to the next level. There's a third party. I feel like that. If it is you, then they're hiding their love with you, that they're just avoiding just for an ego sake or an attitude. They're avoiding, but they're really thinking of you, taking the relationship to the next level. Okay, there is I think uh, what is this Queen of Swords all about? All about new ideas, encouraging the new ideas. There is someone in the person's life who is very powerful, who is elderly person, who is encouraging the idea this person has. Okay. Moreover, I see this is as a love reading, that your person is hiding that there is someone entered into their life recently. They're hiding it from you. Option one. There is a huge support for them. Like, this person is also getting some support from higher someone elderly person, so they are not scared of moving on with that person. Be Make sure that your person is expressing everything with you, because I think there is someone third party, and this person of the first option, whoever you thought, this person is also interested. With the seven of wands, this person is feeling too hectic, because um, they are trying to protect themselves, because I see that if you get to know, if they won't say you this, definitely you're going to attack, and definitely the situation will be worse for sure. um, this person knows very well that situation is going to be worst if I don't say this, but still they're hiding it. Option one. I'm so sorry for this, but the cards are saying it. Okay, they're giving it one last chance. Someone is giving on them one last chance. They're not giving up on this person. It can be the third party. They're not able to give up on this person. They're trying very hardly. They're bringing some difficulties in this person's life, but still they're not leaving this person. They're like, I want this person, I want to be with this person. They're trying very hard. Okay, right now this person is like thinking, what shall I do, what should I do, should I have to move on with the other party? Someone is offering me love, but I have someone who is special already, with whom I share my emotional bond. What should I do? This they won't say. Option one. They're hiding it from you. There is a new love coming their way. Someone is trying to share emotions with this person. Someone is offering emotions, and this person is also very excited to move on with that person. Take This person is acting like a childish right now. Your person, whoever you thought in your mind, they're acting like a childish. They think the person who have come recently, they are the one making, this person will make good for me. They are dreaming about it, taking the opportunity and making the move. And right now they're in a situation, they're in stuck situation, or they're feeling like everyone is attacking them, because this is not something good they're doing, right? But there is a one more person, who is not giving up on them, the third party who is not giving up on them. They're giving their best to get this person. Okay, but right now your person, whoever you're thinking in your mind, they're hiding it. They're a bit of confused what to do, and they're a bit of feeling bad. Okay, that is all for the option one. If you guys like the video, then please give me that big thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hey, option two people, those who choose the option two, so your reading is here for the question, what they won't say you, or what are they hiding from you. Okay, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel still, then please consider subscribing my channel. You guys can also suggest me what type of videos you wish to watch in the comment section. I will definitely try to do it. Then you guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. Okay, you got the very first card, the Queen of Wands. What are they hiding from you? Your person is very kind, your person is very nurturing, and you got the Ten of Pentacles. What are they hiding? What are they hiding from you? Option two. What your person is hiding from you? Okay, there's a Death card. Sorry. Okay, this person is hiding something from you. Option two. That is, this person is these days this person used to be working very hard to gain the wealth, to gain the money, to gain the position, to gain that stability in their life, but something is coming to the end in their life. They're hiding it from you, that something has come to an end. Okay, all these efforts what they were used to do these days, that is coming to an end. They have to start up a new thing. Okay, they are starting up a new opportunity. They're hiding it from you. Option 2, your partner is starting up with a new opportunity, new goal, a new career, because the old one which used to give them very good very good facilities, that is finally ended, and they're starting up with a new career, new opportunity. Finally, their dreams, they these days they were manifesting something. It can be a person in their life, or it can be a career in their life. Finally it has come their way. Let us decide, let us confirm what is that it has come their way. The new opportunity it has come their way. That person this person whomever you're thinking right now, they had a work or they had a career, but for some reason they're quitting the career and moving on with a new opportunity. So with the wheel of fortune, I think um, this person is moving on to the next, but with both the card I'm getting it. Okay, this person just wants to leave everything back and move on. If it is with you, they want to leave you and move on. They're hiding it from you. Option 2, because this person wants to end everything in their life and move on, because I think this person has got new opportunity or new dream or new person, new career. They just want to move on from you, with you. Okay, okay. Option 2, they're hiding it from you. They don't want to be with you anymore. Okay, they're hiding it. They're trying to move on secretly, or because they got something in their life for what they were manifesting all these days. They got it. It can be related to career. They got a very good job position. They just want to leave everything behind and move on with a new one. They're hiding it from you. It's not like leaving you, but they don't want to be in the same way what they were these days. Okay, this person is hiding something from you. They want to start up a new life, new journey. They want to take the risk. They want to go to the unknown places, or they just want to move on with their life, start up with a new life, new story. They want a new story in their life, if it is related to love, or it is not. Like, I think this is more likely related to the career. They just want to move on with their life. Nothing is proper in their life. This person thinks that there is nothing. It is like proper, or it is stable, it is in the right position. Just want to move on with their life because they don't like the past life. Okay, but this person also feel like sad, because moving on further it's like leaving all those emotional connections. So this person is feeling sad for you. Option 2, they won't say, but they won't say. This person has got something new opportunity, where this person wants to move on from one place to another place. This opportunity for which this person was waiting from a very long time. So this person can never leave this opportunity and make his life or her life stable. So finally this person wants to move on, but they're feeling sad, but because they cannot say this with you. Okay, they're hiding this from you, because I think you both love each other. With the Queen of Cups, okay, this person is feeling bit of emotional, more emotional, because um, this person also know that this will definitely hurt you very much. This will definitely gonna hurt you. Because of this, they're hiding it from you right now. Option 2, they're thinking, how shall I make this person calm down? If I express what is happening in my life, how this person will calm down, or how shall I make this person to calm down? They're thinking different way to express this from to you, that they got a new opportunity. They have to change everything from old to new. They just want to take risk and go to the new part there, but they're feeling very sad because they cannot leave you. They're stuck with the feelings. Option 2, this person just don't want to tell you, because they cannot, they're not able to share this thing with you, that they got new opportunity, they got a new life, or they got new place to move, but they are like not able to share exactly because they love you, they don't want to hurt you. Okay, option 2, this person don't want to hurt you, this person doesn't want to hurt you. Let me pull one more and the last card for you. What is this person exactly hiding? Is this career based, or is this something else? Something else has come their way. Is that why this person wants to go far away from you? What is that? Is this really a career reading, or is this something relationship related? This is more likely the career. Okay, this person has got a new life, a new purpose, or this person has got a new opportunity their way. So this is all about new opportunity, new thing related to passion, not exactly passion, something related making money, making career stable. So this person wants to move away from you to make a better future. So they're finding it difficult to share with you option 2. So that is what they're hiding from you. But I think this person is moving somewhere for some reason away from you. Okay, far away from you, taking risk and moving to some unknown places also somewhere. Okay, the result for the option 2, you go to your person and just ask, where are you moving, or is there something new in your life that is taking you far away from me? You can just ask with them. Yeah, that will make them feel free also. That might. If you guys like the video, please give me that big thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Hey guys, welcome. For those who choose the option 3 for the question, what they won't say you can think anyone who is close to your heart, close to your mind, close to you're physically close to each other. You can think anyone. I just say what are they hiding from you. If you guys are new here, then please consider subscribing my channel. Okay, this person got something in their life for what they were waiting for. This person is satisfied from something. Oh my god, they're very excited to take this opportunity to say you, but they're hiding it from you right now. Why are they hiding it from you? Because it is very positive changes, or it can be that they were waiting for someone in their life, finally they got it, and finally they're very excited to make a move with that person. It can be you also, it can be someone else in their life. Okay, it cannot be you, because they're hiding it from you because they're worried of this conflict, they're worried of this argument, they're worried of everything. Okay, because they don't want to make this argument with you because of this reason. Okay, option 3, they just don't want to make argument or take this situation to the next level. They're hiding it from you because I think this is something new person has entered their life, the one who they were waiting for a very long time. So they're hiding it from you because there may take place some arguments, conflict with you if they really say it with you. Okay, but this person, whoever you thought in your mind, that person is very much excited. Okay, option 3, that person is very much excited to move on with a new opportunity, new love, or a new thing whichever come their way. They're very much excited. Show me the cards. I need to see more about the option 3. Why are they hiding, or what are they hiding from you? Show me the cards. I really need to see option. Okay, but this person is also feeling sad. Okay, option 3, because they're still thinking about you. They're even not considering exactly the new opportunity, new love interest, new feelings coming their way. They're exactly not inviting it. They're still thinking about you, but still there is something, some energy, some power is attracting them towards the new love opportunity. New person is kind of attracting your person, option 3. But your person is bit of strong. You and your person has a strong bond, I guess. They're hiding it from you, but somewhere your person also like that person. Somewhere they like that person also. Your person really like them. Because of this, they're making a positive move. Your person is like, they're close with you, and your person is also close to that newly person who has entered life. It can be like that they daily speak to you, daily text you, daily meet up with you, but still the other person, the third party who has entered their way, they don't neglect this person also in this journey. They are like texting them, but they're not telling it with you, they're not sharing it with you, because they don't want to make an argument because of this third person. You're something special for them, but they're giving it a chance for a third person. I don't know why. I think they like that person. Maybe they're something attracting them. There is something in the third party that is attracting them. We'll see what is it. Okay, with the Knight of Cups, I think your person will share love with someone here. It can be with you or it can be with a third party. They're already sharing. If you both are already in relationship, then it is definitely not with you, because I think there is someone who is about to share their feelings with someone, about to take a new person in their life. It can be a person who is going to share their feelings with a new party. It can also be the third party who has entered recently. They're sharing their love with your person, but your person is hiding it from you. Option 3, be careful. There is change going to happen in future. There's a big change, it is going to happen. I think your person will take the third party to the next level, or your person will accept their love relationship, or it can be the end of their both relationship also. Nothing is going to work out between them, I feel like that, because your person will not let the third party into their life, and they're going to leave someone here for sure. Okay, the attack is going on. Your person is feeling like everyone are attacking me, or they're stuck between you guys. Okay, because you share a lot of feelings, or you make them really comfortable, really warm, but this is third party who is coming their way, whom they actually love, and in a subconscious level they dream about them. They don't want to leave that person also. Your person don't want to leave both of you. They're stuck in a feelings that they're feeling like everyone are attacking me, or I'm in that position where I can't leave both of you. Oh my god, your person is hiding it from you, but that they are not able to move on with their life. Your person just wants, but somewhere they're feeling the satisfaction here, because that is the card showing. This person wants to be with someone and make their life better, still more better. Okay, with someone, it can be with the third party. They're hiding it from you. Option 3, this person just wants to move in with that third party and make a very good stable position, or a very good stable life with that person in future. They just want to celebrate this great occasion, or they just want to be stable. That is why they're getting into the third person. Okay, option 3, be careful. Your person is getting attracted to someone. There's a chance that they can leave you, end up with you and move on with the other person. There may be chances like that. Let me pull the one more and the last card to know exactly what are they going to hide from you. Your person is a bit stuck. Okay, they cannot make a right decision. They're a bit confusion in making decisions. Okay, with the moon card, I think your person is a bit of confusion right now. They're not able to see what is good for their life, what will happen if I select this person in my future, or they are a bit confused, and they might get into some bad decisions or wrong decisions right now. And I think your partner is getting attracted to the third party. They're leaving you and moving towards the third party. They're keeping it as a secret. Definitely they're keeping it as a secret that they're day by day getting attracted to the third party. I'm very sorry for this reading. They're a bit of making wrong decisions when it comes to choosing person, because they're more attracted towards the shining things, not the long term relationship. Okay, your person is somewhat leaving back all the memories with you, emotions from you, and emotions with you, and moving on towards a new path or a new person, new journey, because they're getting attracted to all these material things right now. With all those cups, definitely it is someone new entering their life. Okay, that is all for the option 3. Please guys, give me that big thumbs up if you like the video. If it is the video was useful, please comment and subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till that, take care. Bye bye. Hey, option 4 people, those who choose the option for the last pile. So your reading is here for the question what they hide from you. If you think your partner is hiding something from you, definitely I'm gonna reveal it today. You got a Page of Cups. Your person is showing love to someone, showing emotions, sharing their emotions with someone. Your person is being childish right now. Your person just want to end something. It can be with you. They just want to end their journey with you or end something bad for someone. It can be like that also. They're hiding it from you. They had these days some bad relationship or bad thing. They just want to move on because this person has started to follow their experience, like what and all good happened in their life previously with you and what and all bad happened. On that basis, this person just want to cut off the bad thing and move on. If your person used to be addicted in something bad habits, they just want to moving on and sharing their love with someone. Why? What are they hiding from you? I think they're hiding something which they're ending up because they're taking up the weighing the relationship between you and them. And if they feel like there is something bad is going on with you and with this person, then definitely this person is ending up the bad things whatever happened with you. And we'll see what else they're hiding. What exactly are they hiding? This person is offering love. It can be for you. This person is changing entirely only for you. Entirely, this person is changing entirely, but they couldn't say it. They're hiding it. They're doing all these changes for you, only for you. It can be like that. We'll see what else this person is hiding. What exactly this person is hiding from you. Option 4. What your person is hiding. Okay. Wait. Okay, they're ending up something. They're destroying the beliefs. They're destroying the foundation of their life, or they're destroying the relationship between you and them. They're just ending the relationship between you and them because they think that nothing is going well for them. Then they're also feeling like something wrong is going with them in both of your relationship. They're ending up something, moving on. Something is coming down here. Okay, with the Knight of Cups, this can be you offering them love again and again. Come back to my life. This is someone, your ex, or with about whom you are too much interested, but the relationship has got to an end right now. You both are not together. Yes, you are offering them love, but they're not at all interested in you. They're hiding this from you because they just feel like everything is going wrong with you and them. What are they hiding exactly from you? Option 4. Is this you are offering them love and this person don't want to be with you and they're hiding it from you? Exactly. Or you're going to be very close with this person, or but that person is about to end relationship with you. It can be like that. Your person don't want to be anymore with you because they feel like something wrong is going on with them. Okay, they feel like in the relationship between you and their relationship, they feel like only them who is sharing love, who is putting too much into this relationship, who is making this relationship to be active, very much active, but you are not making anything. But you are not giving up with them. Okay, you are not giving up with them. Option 4. But this person already thought of bringing it to the end, bringing the relationship to the end. Option 4. Sorry, this person wants to end the relationship, but you don't want to give up. You're still trying, but you're not making to their point. This person is very much dreamy person, or who expects more in relationship. Okay, they're not getting what they really expect. Okay, that is why they're thinking of ending relationship with you and moving on. It is not like there is a third party for whom they're interested in. That this is not like that. Okay, just the person don't want to be with this relationship anymore, because they're feeling this relationship is not giving them anything satisfaction. Okay, with the Temperance card, this person, yes, this person is hiding it from you. They're balancing it very clearly, moving, they know how to balance the situation, how to compromise with you also. They just want to compromise, um, and come to the result that they don't want to be with you. They just want to do it, but there's something hiding, I mean, blocking them to reach you and express what they actually feel about you. um, that is what they're hiding from you right now. They're in patience, they're taking some more time to think about it, but still they want to change something in this relationship. Or it is not exactly like moving on, but there is something which is hurting them very much. They're expecting more, or they're not happy in this relationship between you and them. They are like moving slowly away from you. Oh god, we got the Moon card also. Oh my god, two more cards. Okay. This person also feel like this relationship is taking them, like they're feeling a bit suffocated in this relationship between you and this relationship. They could not come out of this relationship. This really, they're feeling suffocated, or feeling really sad, or feeling really bad with you. They couldn't make the right decision. They really want to go, they really want to leave you and move on, or leave this relationship, whatever you have. They just want to move on. Okay, this person just wants to move on, but you're not giving up with them. That's why they're trying to make the decision, but they couldn't make, because they're a bit confused right now. They couldn't say exactly what is exactly they want to do, but they couldn't make it. But with the Sun card, major arcana, they're hiding it from you. Okay, they still want to be with you, make a very happy life together, but there is something happening to them in this relationship, is not getting satisfied with you, or with this relationship. They're compromising themselves to not say this thing with you. They're like feeling suffocated. They couldn't say this with you. They're doubting on their own. Am I because I think the relationship you guys have this from a very long time. um yes, they do feel happy in this relationship, but still there is something, something making them feel, I think you're too much, possessive on your partner, or you're too much trying to make them something bad, or your person has some bad habits, or your person is too much into sexual, or expecting something more, or something bad from you. um, they still want to be with you, but still they're expecting more in this relationship. Okay, the very last card, they just want to change, they just want to move on. They just want to change the past life, and come to the new journey. It can be with you also. They're expecting more option for. It is not like exactly they want to move on from you, but it is like they're expecting more with you, more than, means physically. I feel like physically they're expecting more from you, or there is something they're expecting in this relationship. Okay, um, or they're make or there's something imbalance in this relationship. They're trying to compromise it, and they're hiding it from you. Option 4, please know your partner very well, because they're going to change. Okay, there's change coming on their way. They're moving on to the new phase of the life, because they're a bit confused what they exactly want. They want you, they still love you, but they want more from this relationship. Or if you don't satisfy them, or don't exactly understand them, the relationship, there's a chance that relationship is going to end. Everything is going to destroy. Okay, be careful, or know your partner very well. With that, I'm ending the video for the 4th reading. If you guys like the video, then please give me that big thumbs up. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.